Okay, we got a 24 Kona, and we are replacing the battery. First thing we want to do is a bolt right down here. That bolt there, 12 millimeter. We got to get that off. There you go. This is the hold down. And then we got to do these posts. Those are both 10 millimeter. We don't got to take them all the way off. Just loosen them up. And this battery's nice as a handle. Boom, battery's out. You don't have to keep this. It kind of goes around the battery, but you can. You get a new battery. Hold down on there. Make sure you take these off. You're gonna have a bad time.